G'day, my name is TNA and I've been part of the Chamberlain family since 2008. Today I will be showing you how to do a decoupage technique and an antique glaze on a cheese board. For this project we will need chalk paint, antique glaze, clear glaze, your decoupage paper, cheese board, paintbrush, microfiber cloth, water to clean your brush, paper towel, sandpaper, scissor, your Hessian rope and your drop sheet. For the first technique we will be doing the antique glaze. You'll take your microfiber cloth, just a little bit of water to damp it, squeeze out any excess water and just gently wipe your surface. Once that is done, you will take your microfiber cloth and put it into your antique glaze. Then gently brush your surface. Once done, we will just leave it a few minutes to dry. Now we will be doing the decoupage. So I'm going to start off painting my surface white. You can use a small brush to neaten up the edges. While we leave that to dry, I'm going to pre-cut the decoupage sheet. After the paint has dried and the decoupage sheet has been cut to preferred size, I will be applying it with the clear glaze. We will leave it to dry for a few minutes. Once dry, we will be sanding down the excess sheet. We're sanding downwards to prevent the sheet from lifting up. Once finished, we will be applying clear glaze to the whole board. Clear glaze is stain resistant, water resistant, UV protective and food safe. We will now leave it to dry. And here is our finished cheese board. For more expert advice on anything hobby related, visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores where a friendly expert is waiting to assist you. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.